Hello everyone, let's have a look on Mossad. Yes, the famous agency of Israel. Mossad is one of the most known and popular intelligence agency throughout the world. If we see, the famous ones are NIA, CIA, RAW, but Mossad is an agency that stands out. So what is in it? The reason for this lies in the history of Mossad. Mossad has conducted many successful operations and with such a high efficiency and secrecy that it is considered to be the best intelligence agency throughout the world. If we see achievements of Mossad, then they are really huge. During the Arab-Israeli War in the 1970s, the major reason for the success of Israel forces was Mossad due to the intelligence of Mossad. And if we see that the motto of Mossad is kill and flee, so that clearly indicates that Mossad uh, is very dangerous for its enemy, and it's maintain a very high secrecy also, and it conducts its operation very mysteriously. Although much information about the insides of Mossad is obviously not available, it is uh, some kind of mystery or mysterious things that what happens in Mossad and how they deal. But what is in the common folk in the common folk and what we know is that Mossad is a very efficient and mysterious organization. And if we think that the overall budget of Mossad is 3 billion US dollars, so that is really high. That's really high for one intelligence agency, and I think that is a major reason why Mossad is very successful throughout the years and throughout the decades. It was started just after Israel's formation in 1948, and thereafter it had conducted uh, many successful operations like the Operation Thunderbolt, in which an Israeli aircraft was hijacked and it was taken to Uganda. And the dictator of Uganda also supported the terrorists who hijacked the aircraft. Then uh, the agency which was given the task to rescue the Israeli people was Mossad, and Mossad conducted an operation called the Operation Thunderbolt, which was successful. Uh, Mossad Mossad secretly, mysteriously, without unknowingly, landed its own aircraft on the airport on which the aircraft was hijacked, and it rescued all its people within 90 minutes. All its people, without a without a single mm, fatality of its citizens. So that was really huge, and that clearly indicates that what is the precision and what is the kind of intelligence involved in all these operations, how much planning it would have taken, because landing into another country's airport unknowing without getting caught and rescuing hundreds of people uh, is very efficient task that it performed. And another operation that we can consider here is Operation Diamond. During the early days of fighter aircrafts, the most advanced aircraft was considered to be MiG-21 of Soviet Union, and many agencies like CIA, NIA uh, tried to get that aircraft uh, through some crooks, and due to their intelligence they want to but steal it from the Soviet Union. But the agency that was successful in it was Mossad. After one or two try, Mossad was successful. uh, what legends say is that um, a female agent of Mossad um, became friend with the pilot of MiG-21, uh, and did the work that Mossad really need to do. That was they got MiG-21, and Another operation that we can consider is a very famous operation, Wars of God. So it is pronounced as Wrath of God, and it was basically that in the Munich Olympics, um, several 11 or 12 Israel Olympians were attacked by terrorist organizations. They were actually the militants of militant terrorist organization of Palestine, which is a well-known enemy of Israel. So they were attacked, and so this operation was conducted over a period of 20 years, and each and every terrorist involved in that attack was was encountered throughout the world in different countries. Mossad conducted this operation, so that is really huge, and several times we have seen that people the people who runs away from Israel on huge blunders, on huge criminals who run away, Mossad gets them. So, Mossad really works very hard, and it have shown results in preventing terrorism, and it have also maintained the uh, it have also maintained um, its its popularity also. Uh, but there are some things that are also rising up, like human rights. Human rights. Many human rights groups say that Mossad is a is an organization which violates all the human rights, kill people, and did and uh, detention of people is also done by Mossad. So many human rights organization also raise their voice about it, but it is well known that Mossad don't stop. They do what is need to be done for maintaining the security of Israel. So that was all, and I think the biggest factor behind it is that it is given its full independence. Um, Out of the three intelligence agency of Israel, Mossad is the only one agency which is not not abide by a law. They have their provisions, their powers, and their funds are not abide by a law, and they work in complete independence. 2700 almost 2700 people work there, and its agents and all its people are very free to do what they are doing. So I think the independence of institutions must be there for the success of any organizations. That this point is proven by the success of Mossad. So that was all about Mossad, the intelligence agency of Israel. Thank you very much.